So our Patrick step is designed to get the knee as far over the toe as we can without changing the shape in the hip. So the hips are not allowed to come out of extension. We've got to keep the glute nice and tight. I'm standing supporting against the wall. My elbow's there for balance. I load onto a single leg, making sure that the hip, the knee and the ankle are stacked in a straight line. Shoulder, hip and knee are going to stay connected, glutes tight, and from here I'm pushing the knee forward, trying to touch my heel as far forward as I possibly can. Prime things to care about is we don't want the hip to hike out to the side. The hips have to stay stacked and level, and it's the knee traveling forward over the toe that is the key. Try and keep the heel down on the standing leg. We can progress this exercise later, but for now, heel stays down, knee as far forward as we can, hips and shoulders nicely and level. That was better. Okay, take a pause. That was better.